In this video, how to move a window from a disconnected monitor to a connected one. As you can see, when I click on the applications icon on the taskbar, the window does not show up because it is stuck on the disconnected screen. But we can move it back to the active screen. First, click the applications icon on the taskbar or press Alt+ tab to select it. Next, open the system menu by pressing Alt+ space. Press the letter M to choose Move from the menu that appears, even though you can't see it. Press any arrow key to activate the window for moving. The Windows is selected to move on the disconnected screen. You can use your mouse or arrow keys to move the window onto your visible screen and press Enter to place it. Here is what happens on the disconnected screen when we follow these steps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.